industrial sector. In this department, we mainly focus on agriculture sector. What we are seeing is our mulberry garden. First, mainly we focus on cultivation of mulberry, that is the host plants. That host plants will be feed to the silkworms. In silkworm range, host plants is particular the food which are feed to the silkworms, that is called as host plant. Okay.
That HOST.
HOST, sir. HOST.
plant, right?
That's the host plant. First process of the sericulture is cultivation of the host plant. That's the first process. After that cultivation, we have to start the rearing, silkworm rearing. In that silkworm rearing, the process will start from egg. We have to buy the eggs from grainages. The grainages is a place where the eggs are produced under scientific rearing condition. That is, the eggs are disease free. The eggs must be disease free. That disease free eggs are produced in grainages. That eggs will be brought from grainages and we carry to the silkworm rearing. From silkworm rearing, there are the 5 stages. In that 5 stages, the first 2 stages are considered as engaged rearing, that is called chaki rearing. The next 3 stages are considered as late age rearing. The total duration of 5 stages of the rearing is 25 to 28 days. In silkworm, there are 2 types. One is the crossbreed and bivoltine and multivoltine varieties. Multivoltine, the duration ranges from 23 to 25 days. In bivoltine, the duration ranges from 25 to 28 days. After the end of the fifth stage, the worm will ripen. After worm ripen, we have to take that worms into mountages. The mountages are the materials that used. We are giving the particular area for spinning the cocoon. After spinning the cocoon will be used for the reeling process. Reeling process will be carried out by start boiling with the cocoon and extract the single layer of the silk and make into silk thread. That silk thread will carry for the silk making of silk fabrics and silk sarees. Whatever I explained now, the complete process and simple specimens and models are placed in our museum, a beautiful museum is there. And it's a small museum, make it to 2022 batches. Sir, what is how much? 50. Make it to 3 batches. No, make it to 3 batches and please produce silently because the research and parents are very much. I will also explain there only if you have any doubt, I will be here. It's not a large data. We are allowed to take photos, but there are no open
From our staff. Okay. So now you must ask the question. Otherwise there is no use. It is understood as you have not understood.
Sir, how you find that the egg is diseased or not diseased?
Actually, some technologies are there. Only for moth examination, one procedure is there. It's a long procedure. We have to crush the moth. We make into liquid wise and seen in the microscope that the Brownian movement of the liquid is there. If the Brownian movement is there, then we consider as is diseased.
So now when
Sometimes we found some diseased worms in the rearing bed, like the worms will not eating the leaf, sluggish movement of there, the uneven worms are finding. These are the symptoms of the, and some black spots are finding, like
sir, when you hatch the egg for checking it is diseased or not, you'll hatch the egg.
actually no, before going to hatch only we will decide whether it is diseased or not.
Sir, some students do come here for service, degree and master degree.
Yeah.
What about the job opportunities of it?
Definitely in job opportunity.
See, all of you one day will have a question after 10th and 12th.
Actually-
Everyone will have this question.
Actually, this is undergraduate degree of BSc Sericulture is also there in this university, but the college is in Chintamani, the College of Sericulture Chintamani. After plus 2, what you are doing the pre-university, after plus 2 you have to write some common entrance test from Karnataka board. Karnataka Examination Authority will conduct the examination as a common entrance test after pre-university for only PCMB students. After that you can select if you are interested you can select the College of Sericulture, BSc on Sericulture. After BSc you have to join a master degree in this university. You have to write another examination in all India level, that is JRF examination. After that you can join also PhD if you are interested.
No, what job opportunities?
Oh,
was
okay,
there
I will
to
tell.
take them?
Okay, I'll forget. Job opportunities are in Department of Agriculture, Government of Karnataka. They are offering Sericulture Extension Officer, Assistant Director of Sericulture for Master Degree candidates, and also Sericulture Inspector of in government sectors. And also many of the plenty of private opportunities in agriculture and allied companies regarding pesticides, insecticides, fertilizers, and herbicides and other agri machineries. There are plenty of agriculture opportunities are there. You can join in anywhere in the Karnataka.
So now I count 15, they will go. Push it. I'm going to